David drives from his home to the airport to catch a flight. He drives 35 miles in the first hour, but realizes that he will be 1 hour late if he continues at this speed. He increases his speed by 15 miles per hour for the rest of the way to the airport and arrives 30 minutes early. How many miles is the airport from his home? So first, since he drives 35 miles in the first hour, he's going 35 miles per hour in the first hour, and to increase this by 15 miles per hour the rest of the way, he's going 50 miles per hour the rest of the way. So I'm going to define two variables here. Time is going to be the time it takes David if he is on time. So the time from his home to the airport if he's on time. And I'm going to define D as the distance from where he is at that first hour after 35 miles. So from 35 miles into the drive to the airport. So I'm going to make two equations here. So if we're talking about time, I know time is equal to distance over rate. So the equations I can make is, so the first hour plus distance over 50 is equal to t minus 0.5, since we're told that he arrives 30 minutes early when he goes 50 miles per hour for the D portion of the drive. And this one just means this is the whole time it's going to take him to go from home to the airport. The other equation we can make is 1 plus D over 35 is equal to t plus 1, because we're told that if he goes 35 miles per hour the whole way, he's going to be 1 hour late. So solving for t in both cases, we get that d over 50 plus 1.5 is equal to t. And here we get d over 35 is equal to t. So we can set those equal to each other. So d over 50 plus 1.5 is equal to d over 35. Multiply both sides by 350, and we get 7d plus 525 is equal to 10d. Solve for d here, 525 equal to 3d. So 175 is equal to d. And remember, we define d as the distance from 35 miles into the drive to the airport. So to find the distance from his house to the airport, we need to add 35 to this 175. So 175 plus 35 is 210. So it's 210 miles from his home to the airport, which is choice C.